This conference will now be recorded.
I know many people are looking at my video recording sessions. If you are absent, that is fine. But my suggestion is try to attend every day live sessions rather than recording sessions. Recording sessions will be like it will be postponed. Postponement will be postponement only always. Means कल करना है तो आज करो, आज करना है तो अभी करो. That is my favorite slogan. And one more, like if you love your work, no working day in your life. If you love your work, if you are not interested to work, then everything will be hard to you. So if you love your work, it is easy to no working day in your life. Okay, that is my favorite slogan. So fine, let me proceed now. Fine, so we are learning about financial dimensions, dimension sets, accounting structure, advanced rule structure. Okay, so yesterday we learned about financial dimensions and financial dimension sets. Now we are learning about accounting structure and advanced rule structure. Accounting structure and advanced rule structure. Okay, so if you go back to our company application, I'm just closing this application and I'm opening. Okay, so in USMF company, if I want to understand what is the accounting structures belongs to this company, suppose if I go to general ledger, collapse all, ledger setup. So here in this, there are so many structures are there. There are so many structures are there. Configure account structures. But which structure is belong to this company? If I want to see, how can I see? So in the accounting structures, we have so many. Which structures are belongs to USMF company? How can I see? Anyone unmute, please?
Yeah, it's on the general ledger.
Okay.
Ledger setup. Yeah, on ledger.
So you need to remember this one is most important, ledger form. So without remembering this ledger form, you cannot work with the application. If you want to, if you are going to become a finance functional consultant, this form you need to remember forever in your mind. Ledger form. Okay, in this ledger, whatever the structures are mapped, those structures are belongs to this company. Okay, yesterday what I did, I made one financial dimension mandatory, business unit mandatory. Okay, and I tried to create free text invoice and invoice journal. In invoice journal, I succeeded perfectly, but in free text invoice, I failed. It is not recognizing, even though it was. Let me try once again. Okay, so you can mute yourself, please, Nasima, if you don't mind. So free text invoices. So I'm trying once again, whether it is I'm succeeding or not, I will verify. So yesterday we have mapped, so for 1005, we have mapped financial dimensions, but even though it is not worked. So financial dimension at header level I have mapped. At header level I have mapped. but line level I have not mapped. So if it is header level it is mapped, then it should allow me to post the transaction. Okay, financial dimension lines, business unit is not required. So let me try to post. Yesterday I tried, but it was failed. Let me try once again. If I'm getting same error message or not, let me verify. Otherwise, I would like to do some small some small thing. Let me verify whether it is recognizing the dimension yes or no. Business unit. So still I'm getting the same error. Still I'm getting the same error, even though it was mapped for 13020. So now I'm trying one trial. This is technical. It is not relevant for you. IAS reset. Okay, give me a minute. I want to run as
administrator.
Sorry.
To run as administrator.
Yeah, run as administrator. I'm doing that one. Okay, fine. Most probably it may resolve, but I'm not sure. If it is not resolved, then it is a technical issue, but most probably it will be resolved. Let me try. This I have forgot yesterday. This is a technical task. Of course, it is not a functional task. Okay, so this one. Okay, recording started already. Good. Give me a minute. We'll try now for the prediction wise. 90% may be resolved. It may take 1 minute time. Let's take, no problem. Otherwise, meanwhile, I'm taking duplicate. If it is a competition, it will be faster. Little bit. Now you are going to learn about advanced rule structure also in a few minutes. Let me post this one and then I will show you, I will explain you about advanced rule structure. So everyone, so few people are joining today. Some people are absent. Some people are joining today, and some people are absent for yesterday. Some people are in future days. So please try to join live sessions only. Okay, recording sessions always recording only means postpone hota rehta hai. Okay, please try to join every day. Don't postpone your joining sessions, because in finance this is the first batch. I'm looking, many people are getting absent. Okay, let me try to post the free text invoice now. Any invoice in like 1005. Let me try to post. Click OK. So this is a little bit older version, 1.5 year back version. So latest versions, you will not face this kind of issues. So usually it will not take this much, 1 minute, 2 minutes time. Okay, for you it will be seconds only in a real-time scenario. Still it is getting error, so it was not resolved. I can't do anything. This is maybe a technical issue only, technical bug maybe, because we have mapped for 130,300. I mean to say header level we have mapped. Let me try one more attempt with the try like a line level also. Line level also. Let me map. Sometimes it will be linked to coin differences. I will tell you. If it is in case posted, I will give you explanation. If it is not posted, then it is technical error. I can't do anything. Okay, this is, we need technical help. So let me post now. Sometimes it may be rounding difference errors. A rounding difference account is mapped in the P&L side. But in real-time scenario, it is not required. But if it is linked to that area, if it is posted, I will give explanation. Posted means it is having some rounding difference. Let me show you invoice journal. This is a rounding difference issue. It is looks like rounding difference issue because it's not required to map for P&L account. This is because 4 series is a P&L account. For P&L account, we have not mapped any dimension mandatory. See, general ledger, ledger setup. So this kind of issues you will face really in real time scenario. So P&L side, for P&L side, we have not mapped mandatory. This is not a mandatory. Business unit is optional. But even though it is asking, the reason behind, let me verify the voucher. So it is 130302. Then it is not linked to even rounding difference also. That is different, but it is a bug. Definitely it is a bug, because I should not map for 4 series. Am I right? For this 4 series, it is not mandatory. It is optional. Okay, most probably it is a bug. Fine. This is anyhow, this is oldest version, almost 1.5 year back version. Latest versions, it will be resolved. In 10.0.13, there are some bugs. But why I'm using this 10.0.13? This is 10.0.13. Why I'm using this one? Because for the latest versions, I'm like performance wise, I'm facing challenges. 10.0.17 also available in the market, but it is performance is very like I mean to say, it is the application is very slow. That is the reason I'm keeping with 10.0.13 only. Okay, fine. Now it is a bug. Leave it this one. Fine. Now account structures we have mapped like this. Okay, fine. Suppose 10002 dot dot 3999. You have mapped one structure, business unit plus department. Next one is 4 series 2 and 5999. Suppose you have mapped business unit plus item group. Okay, because these all are sales and purchases. So for sales and purchases, I want item group, so that item group wise reports I want to generate. Next one is 6 series 2 9999. It is business unit plus department plus item group. I have mapped like this. Fine. Now in this, whenever it is suppose 6012605300, this is vehicle expenses. Vehicle expenses. This vehicle expenses, I want to make for this account, for this specifically business unit plus department plus item group plus vehicle. This is my structure. Only for one account I want like this. Got it? So this is suppose petrol expenditure. Next one is 610500 is repair expenses. Once again, I want this structure. Okay, then what I have to do, I need to split this structure into like 605 299, and then here 605 301, agree? Then it will be incorporated. Is it fine? Now the second one I need to increase. So it is 610,499. Is it fulfilled? Any doubt in this? Any confusion? Everyone, are you able to follow me? Can anyone unmute please and let me know? Is it understandable? So you are clear, am I right? Yeah.
Yeah, it is clear.
Okay.
So we cannot include that particular account in the general one. And how does it work if we say let's say all of 60,000, then we have 60 to 90, it's an item group.
Yeah, sorry, this is
Okay.
Yeah. So this is very complex. Like this, if I want to include some more, like suppose 20 accounts, I need to keep on increasing the structures. Very hectic job. Am I right? It is hectic job.
Okay.
Very hectic job. Like if I want to add, keep on adding, I need to modify like this. So rather than this one, I will add here one advanced rule, and I will map this account. For this, I will map vehicle. One more advanced rule 1, and I can tag one more advanced rule 2, and I will map simply this account.
So the functionality is basically it's going to look for the advanced role first.
Yeah.
Then look for the general role. Okay.
Yeah. So I will give you a clear picture now. Let me go back. What is the advantage of this advanced rule structure? Give me a minute. So you are keeping six lakhs, this one 6 lakhs to 9,99,999. This is the structure. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. Okay, this is structure. For this, what I am doing, I'm tagging one advanced rule 1. Next one more, I can map advanced rule 2. I'm sorry, I am tagging here. One more rule I can create. I'm tagging. So this will become flexible to you rather than creating these many structures like this, you are modifying the structures a lot every time. So now repair expenses, it is fine. Airways, suppose 620 300. I want, this is travel expenditure. So for this I want this 3 plus airways. I want to understand. Airways is my one of the dimension I want. Then I need to once again split this one into multiples. I need to split once again. If I want to accommodate this one, I need to split. Here I will map airways. If I'm doing like this, it is hectic job. Rather than this one, I will keep only one structure, 60009999, one structure, and I'm adding this advanced rule, so that this is advanced rule for only one vehicle. This is for advanced rule for another vehicle, and another advanced rule for airways. This is one advanced rule. This is one more advanced rule you are adding. One more advanced rule. For this account. For this one is whatever it is 606105. Understood? This is very simple. Agree? So the same thing I'm showing you here. I'm creating only one structure. This is advanced rule for, this is for vehicle. This is also for vehicle, something. This is for airways. Some other one. Like this, you can create n. So because of this advanced rule structure, you are minimizing the accounting structures. You are creating only one structure. You are adding 3 structures, advanced rule structures, and you are attaching this one, you are tagging, so that this complexity will be reduced. This complexity will be reduced. Are you able to follow me? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay, let me show you how to do it. So in let me close this one. So this is, let me go to accounting structures. General ledger, collapse all, chart of accounts, structures, configure account structures. This is, we know the structures, normal structures. Okay, in this structures, whenever if you are adding segment, it is showing the dimensions, financial dimensions. It is showing whatever you have already configured financial dimensions, that is showing here. In this main account also will come into the picture. main account also will be available as a dimension. Okay, that is the reason you are able to enter here. This is accounting structure. Now look at this one, advanced rule structure. So let me take duplicate. If I go to advanced rule structure, general ledger, advanced rule structures. Okay, you can create new advanced rule structure. Let's suppose advanced rule 1, something I'm creating. Click OK. So if you click on add segment, so all financial dimensions will be shown, but in this main account will not be displayed. In this all financial dimensions will be shown, but main account is not showing. Look at this one, IJKLM KLMNO. So after L, O is coming. Whereas accounting structure, if I'm creating new one, suppose I'm entering AS2, I'm removing this one and create new accounting structure I'm creating. Okay, already it is exist AS2. Give me a minute. Just a minute. AS2 is available. Okay, AS7 I'm creating new one. AS7. Okay, I'm removing this checkbox and I'm clicking on create. So this is the old error message. Now click on add segment. Look at this one, IJKLM, main account is there. So the difference between advanced rule structure and accounting structure is only main account. In the accounting structure, configure account structure, it will allow you to select main account. Whereas advanced rule structure, it is not available. Main account is not available. M is not there. In advanced rule structure, it is not there. In the normal structure, it will be available. So at accounting structure and advanced rule structure, both are 90% same. So many people will answer like, what is the purpose of this advanced rule structure? What is the purpose of advanced rule structure? Many people will answer like, in the accounting structure, you can map up to 10 financial dimensions, and if you want 11th, then I will use advanced rule structure. This is blunder. Junior people, very junior people, they will use the word, if it is in the accounting structure, if you are keep on adding up to 10 only it will allow, 11th will not be allowed. That's what many faculties also explaining like this. That is a blunder mistake. So I don't want my student should not do this one, this blunder mistake. Don't use this one. Okay, don't use. So To minimize the accounting structures, we are using advanced tool structure. In this case, I have used one is business unit, department, item group, and then advanced tool structure for vehicle and airways. Total 5 dimensions. In this case, I'm using advanced tool. The reason behind it is minimizing the structures. So this is also a structure, this is also a structure. Advanced tool also one structure, accounting structure only. But the difference between these two is in this main account cannot be selected, in this main account shall be. So once it is accounting structure is, I don't want junk data, there are so many junk data it is available. Okay, I'm deleting this one. Okay, once it is created structure, you can add advanced rules. On the accounting structure, you are adding advanced rule and you can add whatever you want. Suppose airways I'm adding, create. Then okay, you can add here the main account, for which main account, and you can update the advanced rule whatever it is created in the draft, in the accounting structure, advanced rule structure, whatever you have created, that you can map. So here you have created advanced rules and activated some structures. Okay, whatever you have created and activated, then for those it will show you. Let me enable. So for USMF, it is manufacturing BS and manufacturing P&L. So rather than this one, I would like to show you from another company. I don't want to disturb here, or you can, I will show you from here only. I don't know what is the problem. Let me go back. I will remodify once again back to this one. You can click on advanced rule. You can click on advanced rule and you can add whatever it is. So it was added vehicle. For vehicle it is 60200. Vehicle advanced rule structure is added. Okay, now this is structure is created and added. So airways is in draft mode. I need to activate, then only it will work. Let me activate. So it is activating and activate. Let me verify. It is activating. Refresh. It should be active. The services, the batch job is running already. So usually this batch job you will not have access to do this one because it is in my local system. I'm able to do it. Otherwise you will not have access to do this services.msc. You will not have access. Okay, this is handled by Microsoft for the live servers. 1 minute, what happens? It's running. Maybe it was mapped in somewhere else. Give me a minute. Airways, it's going back to draft. Huh? Give me a second. Okay, fine. Vehicle is there. So I will use vehicle, already existing one. Vehicle is in draft mode. Let me activate. So it is activating. Give me a second. It is activating. So vehicle is accounting structure. Vehicle is accounting structure, and it was added as a vehicle as a structure. Okay, this is a vehicle only. Fine. Just give me a second. If it is activated, I will show you. Now active. Vehicle is active. Okay, vehicle is active. So now for this vehicle is added in the advanced rule structure for P&L account. For P&L accounts, it was added advanced rule structure, and this advanced rule structure is for 600,200. Now, whenever you are posting any transaction, suppose, no problem, this is, I'm leaving. So if I go to general ledger, journal entries for any transaction, usually for expenses only, I need different chart of accounts. I mean to say different chart of accounts, different main accounts will have different structures. Now I would like to show you this advanced tool structure vehicle is added for one account. What is that? It is 600,200. So let me show you the impact of this one. So I'm creating new one, general journal. Click on lines. Suppose 600, some other account I'm selecting. 200 I'm taking. For this, business unit is coming, department is coming, cost center is coming, and item group is coming. After that, there is no, sorry, vehicle is coming. Okay, if it is 600,200, because for this 600,200, vehicle also coming for 600,200. Suppose, look at this one, it is 5, business unit, department, cost center, item group, vehicle. Suppose 600, 200, not 600, 200, I will take another account. Uh, 600, 250 or 300, anything is fine. Then business unit, department, cost center, and item group. That's it. It is not showing furthermore. Understood? Business unit, department, cost center, item group. Because this advanced tool structure is added for only 600, 200. For all 40029999, it is only business unit, department, cost center, item group. But extra I want advanced rule for 600,200 vehicles. I have mapped this vehicle as advanced tool structure. Understood? Then it is coming for 600,200. It is coming extra one more dimension. So what is the benefit of advanced tool structure? It is minimizing the accounting structures. It is minimizing the accounting structures, and the difference between accounting structure and advanced tool structure is, in advanced tool structure you cannot select main account. In account structure we can select main accounts. In the account structure only we can map, we can create, we can map the main accounts. In the advanced tool structure it is not showing main account, cannot be added here, but whenever you are adding this advanced tool structure for this one, you are adding main account. Here you are adding main account. Understood? You are adding whenever you are connecting between accounting structure versus advanced tool structure, you are adding main account. Got it? Everyone? Main accounts can be added through accounting structure only. Main accounts can be connected. Got it? Any confusion? So within advanced tool structure you cannot map the ledger account, main account. Whenever you are adding this advanced rule structure, to accounting structure, here you are adding main account. Okay, this is accounting structure. So advanced rule structure independently can create and activate. So Airways, why it is not enabling? The reason behind it is inactive. Airways is inactive financial dimension. That is the reason it is not activating. Let me show you. When I'm trying to activate this Airways, it is throwing. I mean to say, it is going back to draft. The reason behind, what is the reason behind means? If you go to main accounting structure, general ledger, chart of accounts, financial dimensions, Airways is not activated, the financial dimension. Look at this one. Is it deleted or something? Give me a minute. It was deleted. It was deleted. Inactive or deleted, not there. That is the reason it is throwing error message. Okay, so I don't want to keep like this. Rough data. So first you need to create a financial dimension, Airways here, and it should be active. Then only you can use it. Okay, it should be created, and it's not like inactive. It should be active like this. Then only it will work. Understood? Any questions in this area? Advanced rule structure and accounting structure. This is very, very important. Accounting structure and advanced rule structure. Okay, so in real-time implementations, one more point I want to tell you. Advanced rule structure dimensions. Financial dimensions cannot be used in budgeting. That is one of the limitation. What do you mean by this one? At this point you don't know. I will explain you after 1 month. You are going to learn. Budgeting is one more module you are going to learn. In that, advanced rule structures dimensions, whatever it is there, advanced rule structure financial dimensions cannot be used. Sorry, cannot be used in the budgeting module. That's what you need to remember. Advanced rule structure financial dimensions cannot be used in the budgeting module because it is only for specific 1 account, 2 accounts, 3 accounts. Few accounts only you are mapping. If you want to use financial dimension in the in the budgeting also the same dimension, then you need to be, it should be created in the accounting structure. Got it? Of course, if you are not able to correlate now this one, anyhow I will explain you budgeting module next month end. You are going to learn next month ending, you are going to learn budgeting. At that time you will understand clear picture what is this limitation of the advanced tool structure for budgeting module. Okay, I will give you clear picture because you don't know at this point what is budgeting. So your knowledge is zero at this point. So whenever you are understanding about budgeting module, you can understand clearly. Fine. Any more questions, please? I hope everyone is practicing and come back to me with errors. Please practice and come back to me with errors, whatever you are learning. Okay. So from 28th onwards, I'm telling you already, 28th onwards, I need your cooperation. You need to join 6 to 8 from 28th February, almost 10 days. I'm going to teach you both finance and T&L together. Some topics related to T&L also you are going to learn. Okay, fine. So Monday you are going to learn actually vendor invoices. Vendor invoices, I told you there are 4 ways, 4 scenarios. So I have explained. One is, can anyone explain me what are the 2 scenarios I have explained?
Invoice journal,
Invoice journal,
purchase order invoice.
purchase order we have learned. Am I right? So these 2 we have learned. Third one is pending vendor invoice. You are going to learn pending vendor invoice. This third scenario you are going to learn on Monday about pending vendor invoice. Okay, third form, how it is, what it is, everything you will understand. This is application. Invoicing is a part of finance, but there are many things related to invoicing, like item and category and everything. Those all are related to logistics. Means 50% logistics, 50% finance. So you need to understand those things also, those topics also in T&L. Okay, T&L related topics also I'm going to cover you on Monday about pending vendor invoice. Fine. Okay, any questions please? If nothing, because I understood like many people, if I'm approaching, people are telling like we don't have any questions, like we are able to understand clearly. But I want not only listening to my words, you need to practice. Definitely whenever you are practicing, you will get errors. If you are resolving yourself, I'm very happy. If you are not resolving, come back to me with errors. I'm getting so and so this error, I'm getting so and so this error, and so that I will give answers to your questions. Okay, and one more thing, whoever is looking for a job change for Dynamics AX, please speak with any counterpart, one person, any person. Take one person, choose one person, try to build your relationship and try to speak each other. Then only you can grow, because finance is little bit complex when compared to logistics. In T&L it is little bit easy, whereas finance little bit complex. You need to speak with opposite person continuously, at least 15 minutes every day. What are the topics covered, what are the questions, anything, chit chat about Dynamics F&O. 15 minutes try to discuss with the opposite person, so that your knowledge will be increased. Okay, fine. I'm stopping here for today. We'll connect once again on Monday. See you all. Bye bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome.